And welcome back. As usual, if you like what I do, do subscribe and do check out the box below for links, gear, and all that random stuff. But let's get into it. The first bit of this is a chordal progression that didn't appear in the Big Pink arrangement of this tune, but it did appear in all subsequent live versions that I've heard. The chords are C, G, and F, and you'll hear this. Okay, now these are major and minor double stop sixths. I want you to imagine D7 shape up here at the 10th, up to the 12th. D minor 7 shape at the, the C. What you're playing there really is the top notes of the C. But yeah, here we go. Give it a little flick at the end. This then moves into the G, starting from the 5th. Okay, so minor, major with a flick. Okay, that's over the G chord. The next chord is F, and something extraordinary happens. You hear Robbie Robertson actually play a scale run, starting from the A on the G string. Ending up there on the F at the top. One more time. And make sure you're sliding it. That will increase your speed. Okay, that's basically your F scale, starting from the A. The next bit, we move back into the C, and you'll hear this. Okay, you're pushing the D against the G. Release to the C. Then this. Okay, that's a slow release of the D. Hit the A and back to the C. And then this answering phrase. Okay, that's a push on the G. Then the B flat, you're pushing it back up to the C. One more time slowly. And to do that at speed takes quite a bit of practice. Get ready for that one. The next part is this. That's a wiggle on the D. Make sure you hit that A. That's C to the D 2 times. The second time, slide it. That's an E flat, D, C. pushing that D against the G again, and ending with a final push of the D. Then this is a run down the C minor pentatonic scale. You got that? Starting at the C, I'll do it slowly. Ending up at the C, push the F, give it a wiggle and end up back on the C. One more time slowly. The final bit is an A, and it goes like this. Okay, he's playing the A minor pentatonic over the A chord, sliding into the E, ending up on the A. You got that? This is followed by this. You're still playing that A minor box. Slam that double stop. Then this. Okay, you're still in that A minor pentatonic box, sliding up to the E. Give it a little wiggle before ending up on the A. Okay, that's it. It's one of the most fluent and flashiest solos I've ever heard Robbie play. Of course, on the final tour, he's using the Music Man amp, which sounded a bit, well, it was more higher end, wasn't it? I've had a lot of requests for that one. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you for the next video.